What up, everybody? We just got a phone call earlier this week, actually, for a rush job for our friends at Lancia Stratos. So if you don't know what that is, they just debuted this car in Geneva recently, and it's now back in the U.S. It's got a shoot coming up this weekend with motor trend. Fonzo put his hands on it, put a lot of clear all over pretty much all the prone areas for rock chips or any damage that he's going to get while they're doing the filming this weekend. And it was pretty much a last-minute job on a project that we've never really done before in terms of body and where we're going to put things. And this car, like other smaller boutique manufacturers, is clamshell design. Front end and the rear end is basically one piece. So we got to get really creative on where we put our seams, where we put our lines, so that way things flow and look seamless, and you still can't tell there's clear bra on the car. Fonzo,
what are you doing? This is a 2020 Stratos with a 540 engine in it. It's from a Ferrari. What we did on this project was a PPF XPEL on the full front end clamshell, as well as the doors, rockers, and quarter panels, and some of the rear end. Today is due date, so they're picking it up and going straight to Laguna Seca to give it a test ride. This is the first one in the United States. This is one out 25. Beautiful car, full carbon and fiberglass. Full track car, if you ask me. Not an everyday driver, but something cool to look at.
As always, keep gas, did a good job, and car is pretty much ready for pickup. It'll come back after filming, so we can finish off the rest of the car. Maybe give it a little bit of SSC love with some design if we're allowed to. Deuces.